Hi, this is Coach Kim, seasoned personal trainer, ready to give you a little mini butts and guts action here. It's going to be awesome. All you need is a band. So if you want to grab that, that'd be great. And the floor, get your mat. And remember, with any exercise program, always consult with your physician first. Hi guys, I hope you have your either resistance band or I have one by Vive here. It's a cloth thicker band. Either one works, guys, as long as it's comfortable and it's not rolling up on your leg. That's what's important here. Or if you're a guy, you don't want to pinch in the hair. That's never any fun. Anyway, so what I'd like you to do is go ahead and sit down, put this on above the knee. So remember, above the knee for these particular exercises, and I am going to be focusing on butts and guts. So I promise you it's going to be a great workout, and this will work for everybody. So, or at least most everybody. So I'd like you to lay on your back, get comfy. I would like you to put your feet about shoulder width. Try to keep tension in that band. It's really important not to let it get loosey-goosey. Why? Because it's activating all these stabilizer muscles to the knee, and that's good stuff, especially for those folks with cranky hips and knees. So we're going to start with a glute bridge. I'd like your head relaxed, hands palms down. I'd like you to push with the heels of your feet, lift the booty up into 1, 2, squeeze the rear, and then come down for 1, 2. As soon as that bum touches the ground, lift up again. Lift up, all the way up, and come down nice and slow. Again, try to keep this activated. Let's go ahead and get about 6 more. Lift up, 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 and come back down. Perfect. Excellent. So this is working the posterior chain of the body. Good. 5 more. We've only got 5 more. Come back down. Excellent. So it's working the hamstrings, the back of the leg. It's working the glutes and the lower back. Dig in with the heels. Lift up, squeeze the booty. Again, the tempo, think of 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. Let's do 2 more. Lift all the way up, come back down. And if you feel like the band is too much, go ahead and get rid of that band, that's fine. If your lower back hurts, you can exempt this exercise and go to the next. And come back down, perfect. All right, go ahead and hug those knees to chest, connect, put one hand on each knee, pull it in. It doesn't feel good on your back. Oh, I know that. You're probably saying this feels wonderful, Coach Kim. It does. So what I'd like you to do is a second set. We're going to put those feet down. Again, keep that band tight. Relax your head, palms down. Push with the heels of your feet. Lift up for 2 seconds. Squeeze the buns with equal attention and come back down. We don't want to have like one bun with more attention than the other. You know what I'm saying? Come all the way up, up, up. Good. 2. Good. Are you counting? Because I know I'm not such a great counter. So good. We're going to do 6 more. Here we go. Up. Perfect. Come back down. Squeeze the rear at the top. Good. We like a nice butt, don't we? I think we all, even guys, like a nice butt. I've got some funny stories with that, but I think I'll save it for later. I have a really, really fun ones. Come back down with all my male clients, and they want their wives to know that they're working on their butts. Come all the way up. Come back down. Good. Let's get 2 more. All the way up. And we don't get a nice butt by sitting on it. You know that? If you end up sitting at a desk job and sitting as new smoking for 8 hours, it's important that, come back down, that you exercise for an hour to get rid of that 8-hour sit. That was actually one of my fitness journals. So just remember that. If you do sit solid for 8 hours, every hour you need to get up for 5 minutes and move around. Excellent. Good. Now, and then so an hour could be considered going for a walk for an hour. Hands by your side. I want you to keep that band tight. We're going to pick on that lower ab. That's where all those chips and margaritas like to go. So hands by your side, come up nice and slow. Hold, and then come back down. What I don't want to see is this right here. Okay? So come up slow. Hesitate for 1 to 2 seconds. Come down nice and slow. Good. Let's keep going. Come up, hold, and think about the lower abs. Is that band tight? And then come back down. I caught you, didn't I? Back down. Lift again. And remember to breathe. Never hold your breath. On your little post-it note right here, I'll remind you. Remember, fit is not a destination, it is a way of life. So it's a matter of making that choice to move every day and eat those fruits and vegetables every day. Come back down. As a matter of fact, try to eat fruits and vegetables with every meal. Up, good. We're gonna get 2 more after this. Hang in there. Up, up, up. Good. Let's go again. Lift up, 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 hold. How's those lower abs? And come back down. Some of you guys are going, hey, I feel that, Coach Kim. Now, keep your feet nice and tight, but do a little knee drop to the side. It's always good when you work abs to stretch your back, in my opinion, to the side. Good. And I've been in this fitness world for over 30 years now, and I'm not saying my opinion is everything, because I still love to grow and learn, but I've learned a lot over the years, and I'd like to share that with you. So stretching that back after doing abs, I'm going to love you for it. All right, second set, hands by your side. You're gonna lift up, hold, and then come back down. Now, if doing one set is plenty for you, you haven't exercised in a while. And what I mean by one set or one round, right now we're doing our second set of abs. So what you can do, lift up, is just stop after one and then work up to doing two. And those of you that are super fit or you're really excited, you feel like you've got a good base, you can end up doing 3 rounds or 3 sets. That'd be great. Sets and rounds are the same thing. Okay, lift up. We're gonna go ahead and get 4 more to even this out. Woo! Yes, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And keep going. Is that band tight? Good. Is it fitting just right? If it's wrinkling up on you, you need to get a different size band. And there's different tension bands too. Light, medium, heavy. You probably want a light to medium one to start, and then come back down, and then maybe work up to the heavier one later. Go ahead and knee drop it to the side. Yep, keep the shoulder blades down, and then knee drop to the other side. Good. Now, I'd like you to go ahead and get on your side. We're gonna do a little exercise called clamshell. Now, you can have a pillow under your head. I'm holding my head up so I can watch you. You're gonna stack your feet together. You're laying on your side. You're gonna lift up that top leg and then come back down. And notice my feet are staying stacked. This is a clamshell, so it's a great exercise for the hips and glutes. Come back down. Excellent. So all the way up as far as you can. And if the band's too much or it's a heavy or medium and you really need a light, go grab a light one, that's fine. You can just rewind me and go back and all the way up. Perfect. Come back down. Good. We're going to shoot for a total of 10. We're over halfway done. All the way up. And you can do this without a band too. So let's say you go on vacation, you forget your band, you can still do it, no worries. And these bands are portable. It's nice as you can travel with them. Okay, lightweight, just throw it in your bag. All the way up. I know I do. Perfect. Now you're going to switch sides. So take your time, switch sides. I'm going to do a little break dance here. You're going to stack those feet together again, lifting up. The bottom leg stays on the ground. The top leg is when we're doing the motion. So obviously it looks like a little clamshell, doesn't it? And come back down. And I promise you're going to feel it. If you don't feel this, you need to get a tougher tension band, or you can do more reps than we're doing. We're doing 10 reps right now. All the way up. Excellent. We are halfway done. Up. How are those hips and glutes feeling? Lift. Come back down. Up. And I promise you're going to get stronger and stronger and healthier and healthier. You're going to move better. This is great. You couple this a training program like this with some walking and healthy eating, I guarantee you're going to feel great. So thanks for joining.